Sparklight Internet Provider Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of Sparklight Internet, where we'll cover its features, performance, and who it's best suited for. Links to products and plans are provided in the description below for your convenience. Sparklight, formerly known as Cable One, is a cable internet provider focused on delivering reliable and fast connectivity for residential and business users. With plans offering speeds ranging from 200 Mbps to 1 Gbps, Sparklight caters to households with a variety of internet needs, including streaming, gaming, remote work, and online learning. One of Sparklight's standout features is its tiered pricing structure, which allows users to choose a plan that fits their budget and usage requirements. The higher tier plans are ideal for families or individuals with multiple devices, while entry-level options are great for light users. Sparklight also offers flexible data options, including unlimited plans, so heavy internet users can avoid overage charges. Performance-wise, Sparklight delivers consistent speeds thanks to its cable infrastructure, which is widely available in mid-sized cities and rural communities. Installation is professional and efficient, and the service includes access to a user-friendly app for managing your account, checking usage, and troubleshooting. For security-conscious users, Sparklight provides add-ons like parental controls and internet security tools to enhance your browsing safety. The provider also offers optional whole-home Wi-Fi to ensure strong, consistent coverage throughout your house. However, Sparklight does have some limitations. Most plans come with data caps, and exceeding these can result in additional fees, which might not be ideal for households with heavy internet usage. Additionally, while Sparklight offers reliable service, availability is limited to specific regions, so it's important to confirm if it's offered in your area. In summary, Sparklight is a solid choice for users seeking fast, reliable cable internet with flexible pricing and optional unlimited data. It's particularly well suited for families, professionals working from home, and students who need a dependable connection for daily activities. Check the links in the description to find the best Sparklight plan for your needs and location. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions about Sparklight Internet in the comments below.